Hey everyone, it's Christy from Memory Momentum, bringing you some more photo organizing tips. Downsizing. Yep, that's right, downsizing. I know what you're thinking. What does downsizing have to do with photo organizing? Well, let's break it down. Many people downsize for many different reasons. Things like they want to travel, possibly moving to a smaller house or a condo, or even to another country, moving in with family members, or even retirement living residence. What happens to all that stuff when you downsize? Collections of trinkets or artwork, years and years of photos, wall collages, multiple photo albums, scrapbooks, or even special pieces of furniture, like family heirlooms, pianos, rocking chairs, armoires, or even what about a special location, like a beautiful garden, or your favorite tree, or that amazing pond you enjoyed sitting by, drinking your coffee for years and years. You can't take it all with you. Or can you? Now here's where the fun happens. A photo organizer can help you sort through boxes and boxes of family photos, digitizing a collection so that you can take the whole thing with you. Old bulky scrapbooks and those 1970s and 80s style photo albums, oh by the way, they're wrecking your photos, can be scanned and made into smaller, thinner albums so they take up less space wherever you might be going. And what about those collections or special items or those special places? They can all be captured in a photo and made into a number of things, like a photo album or a slideshow, things like that. That way you can keep the memory and the story. You can pack up and move to the tiniest little island in the Caribbean, but still bring your 1,000-piece collection of baseball bobbleheads. You can just safely tuck it away in that photo album. Pull it out anytime you want to take a peek. Downsizing and photo organizing. Who knew? And as always, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and memorymomentum.ca.